Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, find the product of 595.9 and 16. Now to find the product of this, let us multiply the two integers by ignoring that decimal point into 16. Now start with 6. 6 9s are 54. 5 carry forward. 6 5s are 30 plus 5 is 35. 3 carry forward. 6 9s are 54 plus 3 is 57. 5 carry forward. 6 5s are 30 plus 5 is 35. Add 0 to the units place. And as any number multiply with 1 is number itself. So here it is 9595. Now add these two numbers. 4 plus 0 is 4. 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 carry over. 7 plus 6 is 13. 1 carry over. 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 carry over. 5 plus 4 is 9. So it is 95,344. Now, if we put the decimal point here, in total, there is a 1 decimal number. Okay, means after decimal point, there is a 1 number. So, in the product, there should be a 1 decimal point, that is 9534.4. Hence 595.9 into 16 equals to 9534.4. So our correct option is option A.